$250, I'm on the scene. I'll have a command post on my vehicle on the outer corner of Ridgewood and Pine.
On the Delta side.
On the Delta side, I need a ride immediately.
You think if we cut the back of the seat off?
We can lay this seat back.
Okay, we're working on it. Hey, I need a stretcher or
You start searching yet?
have we done a primary in here?
Command all, stand by. Chief Engine's got Division 1 proceeding the interior. I got tag 1 safety, call 2.
Correction, Commander, ladder 1. Ladder 1, I want your crew to be the vent group. You're going to be the vent group supervisor. You have your entire crew plus ladder 4 MSVP driver.
Command Division 1.
Yeah, Division 1. Take it for a second. I got the other knockout on the fire, take it for a second.
Copy, Rick, for all units on Fireground are accountable.
Does matter.